Vivo today launched a new smartphone in India called as the Vivo X21. If you guys remember, Vivo earlier introduced an on-screen fingerprint sensor which is available on a smartphone first time ever today, and they are the very first company to do so. Here we have the Indian retail unit with us, and I shall say that it has a very elegant retail packaging, as you could see, with a shade of blue and FIFA branding right on the top. So let's just unbox the retail package and let's see what's all inside the box. Opening a retail package, at first we have the handset, of course. This is the Vivo X21 that we talked about. The handset feels good in hands and has a slippery hold. Blame the rear glass panel. We shall get into the dimensions and specifications just in a bit, but first let's just check out what else is inside the box. Starting with the usual user manuals and the SIM card pin, there is packed a good case within which has a plastic back and a rubber bumper. There is a micro USB cable alongside with a pair of headsets, which are the earbuds, and the wall charger. Talking about the design now, the handset is very ergonomic, but it is best used with a case because we won't like that crack on either of those panels. The dimensions look pretty great with the usual placement of buttons. This time the SIM card tray is right at the bottom. At the back we have the pair of camera sensors which form the dual rear combo. This is powered by the dual pixel technology. There is a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera sensor right at the back, whereas the front has a 12 megapixel camera sensor because Vivo is always good with the selfies. The smartphone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 Octa-core processor with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. This storage can be further expanded up to 256 GB using a micro SD card with that hybrid SIM slot. That display right on the front is sandwiched between two glass panels and it looks great, covering the whole front. It is a 6.28-inch Super AMOLED display having a resolution of 2240 x 1080 pixels. The smartphone is running on Android 8.1 based Funtouch OS 4.0, which makes use of this full view display. It has the latest March 2018 security patch. There are a lot of options to customize and a lot of features to explore on the Funtouch OS, but we shall keep them for another video sometime later. Talking about our first impressions of the handset, the device looks absolutely stunning in hands and no one will ever have a doubt about that. Specifications look great and camera results were quite good too. We took a few samples from the rear camera and they turned out to be great with good color reproduction, spinning up a little exposure. The on-screen fingerprint sensor is the highlight of this product and I shall say it works pretty great. For a first gen product, this looks like an absolute miracle and I hope it will get better with a few software releases later in the future, improving the fingerprint recognition and providing more machine learning algorithms. That's all in the first impressions video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.